Hey vlogs, I am about to go hang out with Avon. We're going to the Galleria to do Christmas shopping. I don't really have anything I want to buy though, so I guess I'll just hang out with him. Update! He just woke up and he wanted to do it in 2 hours, but I had to do something. So, that is not what's gonna happen today. I'm looking at my college essays right now. I have about 4 days. I got this. I don't even feel worried. That's the weirdest thing, but. No one watches my videos other than me. So I'm about to go get my gym membership at Fitness Connection, and I'm not gonna tell anyone other than Mary because it's like I'm not good, and I don't know. It's just weird. I'm also not gonna walk in because I don't want to see anyone I know because so many Klein kids go there. So my dad will walk in for me and get it, and then we will be good. We never drive with the windows down, so now he thinks he's all cool.
Huh? Cool.
You're
You're in it. And now she wants us to get some cookies or something. And
For the kids.
For the kids.
For the kids.
For the kids.
We were just like trying to stop being parked. It's 10:15 at 8 and we're currently just packing to get ready for our destination. I'm so tired and I'm waking up so early this week. So here's the plan. We're gonna leave in like 45 minutes, head to the airport, hopefully go to the United Club to grab a bite. Then our flight leaves at like 2:30. We get to Las Vegas. We drive 2 hours to Jet Valley and chill. So yeah.
Next minute you can read it. Hello, peasant.
Papa has TSA free, so we got through in like 1 second, but my mom doesn't, so she'll be here in like 10 minutes.
Automatically inflate. It's unlikely, but in a
This is
water
crazy work. A person is doing the demo, and look at that. No way seatbelt. Telling her to wear a seatbelt. That is just. I don't understand about this new generation.
Not wearing a mask.
You can hear all the sound from outside, right?
That's pretty cool. Landon. Currently walking. Now on transit. Everyone has looked so tired in all my vlogs.
Oh,
Everyone.
my neck is hurting. I cannot.
I literally chose the farthest carousel to put us at. There's no one even here. Oh, Merry Christmas, by the way. Merry Christmas.
Wait, what did you think it was?
Happy New Year. We're entering the outside world. Pop, rental car shuttle. Yeah. As you can see, I'm the well-traveled one in the family. So Papa's been telling us for weeks that we're having a Toyota
Tacoma pickup truck.
and he's been
So we
hyping
come
it
here
up.
and we get the message we are getting a minivan. So I fought with them, got the truck back, but now it's Ford Ranger.
Physically fought.
He didn't upbite. He was like.
So the Ranger
begging.
is 1.1 inches wider than the Tacoma, yes, and nearly an inch taller, yes.
It's definitely not.
So we go pee right after the flight. And Mom's like, everyone, we must go to the restroom. We have to go use the restroom. She doesn't use the restroom. I'm like, okay, whatever. It's 5 minutes later. We're here. We drove all the way here. Now she has to go use the restroom.
I have my puffer jacket.
Which is not
My
disinfected.
Okay, and also look at these amazing pictures. So I gave Papa my phone for 5 minutes to take pictures, expecting him to take like, you know, maybe 30, maybe 40, and I got 5.
My hair. Jesus Christ.
Let's tell her, like, you gotta.
There she is, the queen herself.
The weather's low-key nice.
It is.
That'd be really good.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be even worse. We have the room to ourselves. I'm just gonna eat. I had a really, really good workout. So now you can just watch me eat. Currently at getting ready for today's hike. Oh my god.
Let me see. That's good.
Oh, see? I
That's
look like
cute.
alfalfa.
There is no reason guys who have this long hair.
Yes.
If you do that, they put gel on. They don't just do what you do.
The one pizza box.
Little gusty.
It's a little bit chillier than I would have expected.
You missed after breakfast the fun they made.
We made fun. Oh, I never plaster cord. Oh no. Yeah, we were taking our pictures. He's struggling. First hike, 4 miles.
You have multiple layers.
I always did. At least I'm not wearing like 4 pants. Did you know that this is where Tatooine from Star Wars was shot? Okay, it was like really, really cold before. Now it's warming up a lot. And I just feel miserable. But in the best way possible.
Wow. Tatooine for sure.
In case you don't know, he's only been talking about
I was
Tatooine.
waiting when she
Stay there. We are? You said we were gonna go up it. No, this is almost as hard as our freaking 20-mile Grand Canyon hike. It's at least it'll be downhill from here. The only bad thing, not the only, I didn't pack my lunch on this trip, which is just a peanut butter sandwich, because I thought it would be a really easy hike. Yeah.
It was not tough.
No, it was just weird. Sophomore year, we went to Greece, and we were in Greece for like 5 days. Then we went to Santorini, and we were on the village called, Papa, what was the name of the place we stayed at in Santorini? That's the city? Immerwigli. We were at a village called Immerwigli, and like the Santorini square was like on the opposite side of the island. So we chose to hike like 6-7 miles to get there, and it wasn't a hard hike at all, but it literally was just like this. Like, you started off on the mountain, so you're just kind of like walking on the side of it. What is that? I'm craving the Indian place so much right now. That's all I'm thinking about.
I don't
The
know.
Indian restaurant.
Mommy said she looked online.
No. Show the camcorder what you were trying to do. Okay, update. We think we're lost. We missed a trailhead. Let's go. But there's no way we should have gone up. It's not like that. They go through the...
Remember at Zion?
Not a true hiking trip if you get really lost. Copy that. Camera 4 times now, but it's still surviving. It's really pretty cool.
All the canyon water, look at this.
Yeah.
Can you bring my phone? That was a good hike.
You did so good.
That's a good spot for a picnic.
I know.
What's our next stop?
It's all gonna be sightseeing now.
Nice. Give me a pepperoni place. Is it on top?
Uh-huh. Wait, look at me. No, point just straight. Yeah, there you go. It's not loading, but I'm gonna just want to go hike a random
One
thing
person is not ready.
with my phone. Give me my phone, boy. How was the hike?
Understand how I'll be feeling on that day. It's just like seeing her for the first time again. It's just like seeing her.
We're on a really bumpy road right now.
Yeah, now we go by forward.
It's even worse.
The tires
Oh my god.
no change at all.
Time she's not around, somewhere out of town. It's been hard.
I'm good. My camera died yesterday while we were hiking. We just ended up getting dinner at this Indian place. Okay. I have had low battery this entire trip.
Coming home soon. There are times I find it hard to feel that way. It's not inside.
Hey camcorder, pretend like I'm recording on a camcorder. Okay, we're on the sand now.
Where's your camcorder?
It keeps dying.
No, I'm sorry. After it fell to water.
That was really funny. Keep going, I thought it was easy. More cameling. We're not letting it bury. Hey vlogs, Papa and I are going to find Angad. In case you didn't know, Angad is always gets in like this weird hiking mindset. Let me hike and he becomes like crazy. So he's way ahead of us. It's really pretty though.
First time again. Just like seeing
Look at him on top. Mommy wanted to go back to the truck. Oh my gosh. This looks just formidable. Looks easier on camera, low key. Where are you going?
Right behind.
Mommy was behind us the entire
Betting that you're gonna be.
It was like we're seeing each other for the first time.
He was.
He
Go.
saw back twice. I'm like, I don't know, he saw me. And then he stopped. And then this is mom.
This is all the sand that fell out.
Post it.
Trust me, this is not the first time.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
She lets her phone.
This is not the first time.
She lets her phone and her wallet in the bathroom counter.
Not even in the ocean. You could have got it back.
That's what every time I see.
Oh, you could go all the way down. Papa thinks it's smart to go see if someone needs help. Papa's doing his dad stuff.
He said no over the driver or wheel went off.
Angad's literally Angad, sing what you just made up. He's copying. See if you guys can see what song he's copying. Go.
Hitchhiker. Who do you think her name was Maya?
Literally copying Knife Talk.
In the air. Sitting in the car next. Her teeth are wider than and her Rolex. She icy. Now that's her teeth, not her wrist. Oh! Okay, what you want? You can tell me.
No, about me.
About you. 5'7", black hair, never had her dad there. 5'6", she's stronger than the river Styx. She's skinny like a stick. She brown like a stick. She hit a baseball bat not very far. The sea monkey, she looks like a monkey. And very far, she very ugly. I know you loving the. I'm the goat. My skin brown like an oat. He throw it back. Oh my God, his booty's so fat. An F and a pH. Let me check the temperature on that. Woo! He like Kelvin. He's so hot. Oh my God, I'm about to be his thought. Dude, that was crazy.
My dad is saying that angad should write down all his raps because he could be a super hit.
Look at the back, this is about to be thrown. Oh.
Boom, boom, boom,
It's like the cheeks. Oh yes sir, she is so fine, she like a wine. I'm on fleek, cause my butt's so big, and I'm clapping her cheeks. Eek. Oh wait, that's a dude. Oh wait, that's even better. I was the worst sucker he ever had. In both ways, that's what I mean. Dang. Where are we going?
Dante's view.
We landed! Yay! We slept the entire flight.